Hi guys, today we're going to model a printer's tray. So I go to any website where I can find the measurements. You know, I use mainly Amazon for this. You also can have any picture you made of a real tray and measure it. So this is the tray we are going to model, okay? This picture is really the best one to use, so I save it as tray. And I don't forget to write down the measurements. Then I go to Fusion. I insert my canvas. It's on my computer. It's somewhere here. Okay. Put on the planner face. Perhaps I have it a little bigger, but I don't care about dimensions because now I'm going to select the tray canvas, make a right click and calibrate and make on top, and I calculated that the length, which is 32 centimeters, means 27 millimeters. 27 millimeters from here to there. 27. Okay, I have the right size. So now I just have to create a sketch. The first sketch will be a rectangle, which is this one. It's only about tracing, you know, it's very easy to trace. Okay, I have the rectangle. I'm going to show you the one way to do it, but there are a lot of ways. I just want to show you something you don't already know, which is the offset, because I made the outer line and now I want the inner line of the tray, and I'm not sure if I do that, I'm not sure it will be right. Okay, so instead of doing this, I'm going to choose offset and click on the rectangle, and you see it gives me an offset which is 1 millimeter at the outside. I don't want the outside, I want the inside, so I flip. Oh, it's okay, it's exactly what I want. I wonder if I didn't show you this tool before. I don't remember. So now I have the plate and the walls, the outer walls, and I have to make the insert walls, so I'm just going to do this, okay, and also this, okay, and this, and this. You see, I just make one line. Oh, this one is not horizontal, so I'm going to take, you remember this constraint, and say I want it horizontal, and it is. So I just made one line, and now I'm going to choose again the offset. So up, it's okay, and this one offset, it's on the other side, so I just have to flip. Okay, and now this one, it's outside, no problem, I flip, and this one it's okay. And I have all my drawings for my tray. So now I just have to choose the walls and the surface. So the walls, first I have to finish sketch. Okay. I close the eyes of the canvas just to see my drawings. I'm going to extrude all the walls. Okay, I have to make extrude first, and then I click on all the walls. Don't forget the little pieces. Okay, no, not this one. If I make a mistake and click on something I don't want, I just have to click again to deselect it. Okay, I have all my walls. The height in real life is 3 centimeters. It would be 2.5 millimeters in our reduction, but it's not enough, so I'm going to exaggerate this height and choose 5 millimeters. Okay, if I move it, but now I have to, it could be a nice something to put on the wall, une étagère, I don't know the English word, a shelf. Okay, it could be a funny shelf, but we are going to make a tray, so we need to fill all these pieces. And the problem is we don't have the sketch anymore, so click on the little arrow, and the sketch, the eye of the sketch is closed. It's closed because we already made an extrusion with this sketch. So Fusion thinks, as a software can think, Fusion thinks that we don't need this sketch anymore, so it's light off. But if we open the eye, we just have it. So now we are going to extrude these, and not too much, perhaps not 1 millimeter, a little less, 0.8, and now we have our tray. So you can resize it if you want. If you think the height is too important, we just be here and go down, extrude down, or you also can go back to the extrusion, look down. There is a time, it's a timeline. It shows everything you did from the beginning to now, so you can go back anywhere in the timeline and change it. For example, this extrusion is the walls, so if I right click on it, I can choose edit feature, and then I'm editing. I chose 5 millimeters. I'm going to think, well, 4 is enough, so I type 4, and now my tray is 4 millimeters high. So you can always go back in time to change something, and everything you changed in the timeline will automatically be changed after. Okay. In the next video I will show you a little more about this timeline, and we will make some exercises to change things and see what happens next. Well, that's all for today. Bye.